Generative Design from ANSYS. Discover optimized designs for simulation or any manufacturing method. Rapidly evaluate hundreds of potential shapes with topology optimization. Engineers can explore design options and get instant feedback. Watch simulation results update instantaneously in response to changes in geometry or other parameters. The software makes it easy to vary design constraints. Assign multiple loading conditions. Account for allowable regions. Convert to a CAD-ready model. This real-time interactive design environment allows engineers to explore concepts by manipulating geometry, material types, or physics inputs. Get instant feedback on a design or a what-if design iteration. What if you could evaluate the impact of design change instantaneously? What if multiple components became one? What if simulation became easy? It's time to engineer at the speed of thought. Discovery preps for printing, generating designs that are not just print-ready, but also unlock the full potential of additive manufacturing. Discover the promise of generative design. Discover the promise of ANSYS.